Hi, we're playing Stray. That was good timing. Thank you, Kat. Anyway, am I recording? Check. Yes, I am. All right. All right. So I don't. I'm allergic to cats, and I don't know what this game is. So here we go. All right. Now that we're in game and I have a second, I'm gonna not talk too much over the game because it's a very kind of scary thing I've noticed. But trigger warning a little bit because I did see in settings that the cat can die, like as a game over screen, and fair warning, because I have that on for left settings as normal. Anyway, okay, bye-bye. I will leave now. This is a voice actor. These are my buddies. I made friends. I've made friends with these cats. These are my cat buddies. Meow, bitch. I'm playing. Don't poke me. This one isn't as fun as the others. He didn't play along. Alright. Do I have more friends? Meow. Meow, bitch. Meow, bitch. I'm having controller reception issues. That's why I'm like, yeah. We have swapped over to keyboard and mouse because my controller is fucked. So that is why the prompts are suddenly different. Anyway, nap time. You think of the black cat? Oh, wait, hold on. Cinematic. I have once again consumed this cat's brain. Alright. As I was saying, like, if the black cat crosses my path, because I'm a cat, do I get bad luck? Shower thoughts. Alright. I can run. I am the brain worm inhabiting this cat. We go this way. This is the way we were going. Left alt to meow. Meow, bitch. Alright. I leap. My legs are springy. Yeah. Alright. Friends, companions, join me. Where are my friends? Come on. Hesitate not. Oh, you're going to fancy. Fuck you. I didn't think to do that. Can you imagine if this is actually online and I just didn't fucking know? And just this one cat here is like, just, where are you guys going? Who are all idiots? No, I don't think so. But this is curious. I'm scared of heights, but as a cat, deal with it. Oh, I should try to get one of those. Where are we going next? Human! Open the door. I demand entrance. I require let in the boat. Come on. He didn't let me in. Ooh, I want to do that. That's fancy. This parkour shit. Parkour! Alright. Can you imagine if I just stop pressing space there and I just fall? I hope that's not a thing. That just leads right back up. Why would I need to go back? Am I gonna have like a return home moment? Ooh, he did that. Back out. He was too big. Where are you going? What the hell? What did you do? I want to do that. Let me catch one. Bruh. Let me catch a butterfly. Damn. I thought that was absurd. It's got that, like, I already see the, like, ruined city, fucking, like, Beauty and the Chaos thing going on. Meow. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna fall. No, 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 no. No, me, don't do it. Fuck. My friends, do not abandon me. Am I dead? Friends. Friends, I'm on 8 lives. Oh, I hurt my leg. Meow, bitch! I'm down here. I don't have the guidance of the black cat who knew how to do cool shit anymore. What is that? Oh, that's just my ass. Nice. I really fucked up my leg. This is not good. Oh. What? I can just do that? I can just heal my leg by licking it? No wonder cats have so many lives. Alright, well, still down to 8. So the cats. Yeah, I feel like that's gonna, like, crush me when it comes to... Oh, well, oh, well. Yeah. Oh. He tried me. I can play with the bottle. Alright. Amusement dead. I'm off to my next adventure. Oh, shit. The fuck is that? The hell were those things? Those weren't me's. Oh, hello. Meow, bitch. Oh, meow, bitch. Yeah. Alright, I'm happy I met Fred. Alright, cowabunga. You can't see me anymore. Oh, God. What are those things? Is that a dead guy? Oh, never mind. That's a robot. That's not a dead guy. Star Wars universe? What the hell is that? Oh, hello! Meow! Yes, I've made another friend. Maybe it's the same friend. We do not know. Dead robot. Step on the weak. You weak did not understand. Alright. Bitch. Ah yes, I, a cat, will fully understand that. Because I would Meow, bitch. Got you. See, this camera person, they're lucky that I inhibit this cat's fucking consciousness. It's a strange... Yeah. Because, like, cats don't... Alright, how the fuck? Oh. God, do I have to try to like... Nah, there's gotta... I ain't... Look. I ain't want to end the game that quickly. There's gotta be some way I can, like, slow it down. Oh god. I'm an idiot when this has puzzles. What was I thinking? My bucket. You cannot have it. Smart kid. Alright, good luck. It worked. Meow. Yep. There we go. That's the one. Okay. Follow me. How do I follow? How do I get down in there? I guess I go up. Ah, I know how to do this. No, no more. And... Oh, but the glass, my little mini balls. Oh, nope, they just ceased to exist. Nice. There we go. okay. Oh, oh, yes! Yes! Do it as quickly as possible. Alright. I got paint on my fucking paws. Hold on. I don't want them to know where I've been. Alright. Oh, you can do it on this one too. Fuck you. There we go. Not bad. Can I knock the glasses off of this one too? Oh, I kind of can, yeah. There we go. There we go. Yup. 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 There we go. Gotta get up there. This is... I understand why they do it now. It's entertaining. I get it. I get it. I understand. Alright. Good. Don't you point to where I need to go. Oh. I just expected that to work and it did, okay. Now I'm happy. Shit. The hell? Don't scare me like that. My God. 90% of this video is going to be me knocking stuff off of ledges. But I'm okay with that. What are those things? Is that a dead person? Oh! It's not a dead person! Oh! Hello? Oh, what happened to my head? Anyway. No. Oh! I killed him! I have conquered this creature. Meow, bitch. Alright. Why are there just dead robots lying around? I bet I gotta go eat it. Hello. Wait. Stay dead. Oh, fuck. Oh, it didn't care. I was eating a Pop-Tart. I thought it was a cinematic. Oh, this ain't cool. Oh, what the? No, bitch. Get away from me. They want my buns. Yow. They're fucking egg crabs. Oh my god! I thought it was a cinematic. I gotta fucking go. Oh my god, they can leave. Bitch. Oh! Oh, good lord. Oh. Help! So many these! Why are there so many? Oh god, I'm down another life, I think. Yeah. Okay, that's not horror movie shit at all. Oh, I can knock a thing down. Oh, is that like something I have to do? Was I just doing the normal thing? I think I just did the normal thing. Yeah. This one isn't playing ball. Come on. Yeah, okay. Oh, hey. Yeah, bitch. Careful. Oh, I know what I have to do. Maybe not. Oh wait, yes I do. Ow, bitch. Now, bitch. I don't think I'm making more friends. I think I'm just making the one friend like me more. The more chaos I do. There's nothing to knock off on this table, damn it. I was in the middle of eating a Pop-Tart when the chase scene came on. Like, what was I supposed to do? Anyway. Ow, bitch. Oh, I heard other things. What the hell? Nice! That one cracked real good. Oh my god. You know what? You get to survive. Not you guys, though. Oh no, not again. Not again! Yeah, I have trauma from that too. Oh, okay. Thanks, bro. So what weird hacker creature thing is guiding me? Like, I mean, clearly I am far more intelligent than I should be, but like, but there's Easter eggs I am not finding. I'm okay with that. was about to chain jump all the way down here. I thought I had just tanked it. Also, I'm made of jelly because I can pass through bars. Precarious. Salvage. Ooh, that's sketchy. Sure is. Salvage. Where do I go from here? I'm in here, but like, where do I go? Oh, through here. I'm an idiot. Ooh, a gift for me. I think I broke it. This is mine now. I hope you understand. It is my possession, and I will keep it. No, I dropped it. Oh. Fuck your keyboard. Fuck your drinks. Knock all your shit over. Piss in your sink. Need help. Oh, data corrupted. Need help. Body required for download. Enter door. Hey, there's only one malignant consciousness allowed in this body, and that's me. This is my can. Fuck you. Better not be downloading some weird consciousness onto me. Hopefully still I can just knock the stock books over. Come on, come on. No, it's not gonna let me. Oh, I think I did knock it over. Oh, very smart cat. Nothing I can interact with left. Alright. Oh, I'm definitely gonna piss on the server. Click clack on your keyboard, make you say weird things. Wow. Oh, I need it. Ow. You know, something tells me this guy doesn't have, my best interest in mind. I think he has his best interest in mind. I think I'm going to be downloaded onto consciousness. This seems strangely cat accessible, I'm just gonna say. Like, were you planning on me coming here and saving your consciousness or whatever I'm doing? Can I have this, please? There we go. This is suspiciously cat acceptable. Meow. Don't shake all your camera heads at me, that's weird. Sure, that's not fragile. Put it in the thing. There we go. Precisely you. Alright. Oh, I definitely am saving this guy's consciousness by putting him in my own brain, huh? No. Oh. There goes your head. Oh. Oh, I'm replacing this guy's head. No. Oh, why did it make that noise? Oh, maybe that's not it. Do I need to take this somewhere? Oh, I can't read. I'm a cat. Oh. Meow, bitch. Oh. Dialogue, but we just hit, okay. It worked, I'm free, thank you. I couldn't believe the cameras, a cat in a dead city. I can't remember my name. My alarm's going off because it's been 20 minutes, damn it. Dialogue will finish and then recording will end. I can't remember my name. It seems my memory's been corrupted. I've been trapped in the electronic network for so long. I know I worked for a scientist who lived here. For now, you can call me B12. That's what it says on my exterior. It's dangerous in the dead city, but you seem like you know how to handle yourself. Yeah, I'm a fucking brilliant cat. Thanks. Let's get out of here. Follow me. Okay. Alright. That seems like a great place to end it. Recording 1. I am a cat. Meow. Bitch.